Renewable energy tutorial. Renewable energy is a type of clean energy that is given by characteristic sources shown in nature. The principal types of renewable energy are sunlight-based, wind, hydro, biofuels and geothermal, energy got from warm created under the world's surface, and these sources are for the most part persistently recharged. Around 18% of all power in the United States was delivered by renewable sources in 2017, up from 15% the earlier year. By 2020 around one-fourth of the world's energy is relied upon to be created by renewable sources, over half by 2040. Why is renewable energy important? Environmental change and unnatural weather change concerns, combined with high oil costs, top oil, and expanding government bolster, are driving expanding sustainable power source enactment, motivations and commercialization. As indicated by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory and the Department of Energy, sustainable power source is essential in light of the fact that ecological benefits, renewable vitality advancements are spotless wellsprings of vitality that have a much lower natural effect than traditional, non-renewable advances. A finite source, renewable vitality is inexhaustible, it will never run out, not at all like coal, oil and other customary vitality advances. More jobs, economy boost, rather than purchase expensive vitality imports. Most sustainable power source modalities are ventures that begin inside the United States utilizing neighborhood materials and nearby workmanship. Expanded energy security. By delivering sustainable power source locally, the U.S. does not need to be subject to outside oil. Top 10 Renewable Energy Quick Facts. 1. The importance of solar energy was recognized in a 1911 Scientific American article. 2. Development of solar engines continued until the outbreak of World War I. 3. More than half of renewable energy sources are devoted to producing electricity. 4. Worldwide investments in renewable technologies amounted to more than $286 billion in 2015, with countries like China and the United States heavily investing in wind, hydro, solar and biofuels. 5. Globally, there are an estimated 7.7 million jobs associated with the renewable energy industries, with solar photovoltaics being the largest renewable employer. 6. Renewable energy creates 3 times more jobs than fossil fuels. 7. Renewable energy systems are rapidly becoming more efficient and cheaper. Their share of total energy consumption is increasing. 8. If it could be properly harnessed, there's enough sunlight that falls on the earth in just 1 hour to meet the world energy demands for a whole year. 9. One wind turbine can produce enough electricity to power up to 300 homes. In some countries, renewable energy is now cheaper than fossil fuels. 10. The world's resource base for geothermal energy is larger than the resource base for coal, oil, gas and uranium combined. Learn more about renewable energy facts, history, tutorial etc. Visit Tonex tutorial URL below. www.tonex.com web link